Hello there folks, how are you doing? It's lovely to see you as usual. So thank you very much for coming over just to have a wee nosy and see what I got in this month's Degusta box. So this is the Degusta box for November, and it does tend to be, you know, the more festive of their boxes. Obviously they do bring one out in December as well, but it's always the November one, you know, that's the most festive throughout the year's boxes. So yeah, party and feeling festive. So this is everything that's in your box here, and as usual you've got your flyers and your information cards, which are usually a really good indication of things that are in your box. Now I'm very kindly sent this box from the guys over at Degusta Box, but I do have my own subscription as well, and that's the one that I give away to one of you guys every month. So let me go and show you what's inside, and if you do want to win this month's Degusta box, just stay on till the end. So the first thing were these cheese oat cakes. Now I have bought these, you know, in the past, you'll have seen in my shopping hauls, and these are lovely with tomato soup, just fab. And then out your box next, we've got some biscuits from Digestives. Now there are one of two different kinds, so you'll either get the Hobnob ones or the Digestive ones. I've got both just to show you, but you will get one in your box. And then we've got something a wee bit different. This is a Spanish snack, so I've no idea what these are, but they look like pastries to me, and they're saying that they're going to be really nice, you know, with a tea or a coffee, just a nice wee snacking type thing. And then from Hellmann's, we've got some sour cream and chive sauce. So I would tend to have this kind of thing, you know, on chips or French fries or even pizza crusts, you know, something like that. So yeah, we do like our sauces, so that'll pop that into the fridge. And then we've got a sparkling flavoured water. Again, there are a few different flavours you could receive, and this is the one that I have here, the raspberry and black cherry one, and I really enjoyed this. I've had this one already. And then we've got some lovely chocolate. This is a salted caramel fine Swiss milk chocolate, and you know, I just feel as though salted caramel it's everywhere at the moment. Are you a fan? I do like salted caramel, so this will be going straight into the snack drawer as well. Something else for snacking we've got from Mr. Filbert's. This is just a really nice nut selection, and these ones are sea salt and herb. Again, all these things are just fab, you know, for this time of year and sharing with the family, or even for sitting in front of the TV, you know, watching a good movie or reading a book, you know, anything like that. Perfect. And then out the box next, a few things in bubble wrap. So we've got some sweet piquant, or is it picante, wee pepper dew peppers in the jar. And then from the English Povender, we've got some caramelised onion chutney. Again, perfect for this time of the year if you're having cheese and crackers or nibbles round about New Year. And then from Knorr, this is the one that I have here. There are a couple of different varieties of this seasoning mix you might get as well. So I have the chilli and smoked paprika, and there's also the mushroom and Italian herb. So you will get one or the other, but I'm actually, you know, I'm quite pleased that I have the chilli and smoked paprika, because that's something I would have bought anyway. Then something else quite unusual is something to make a cocktail with. Now, at one point we could actually opt out of having alcohol in our box, and now we all just get the same thing. So this is from the brand Passoa, and you can make yourself a porn star martini, apparently. Now, there is something missing from my box. I was meant to get a can of Starbucks hot chocolate. Now, I've seen another couple of people unbox this Degusta box this month. That's it there, and they were also missing it. So my own box that I pay for, I haven't actually received that yet, so I can't actually go in and check to see if it's still there. So yeah, I think it might be a bit of an issue this month with that product in particular. But the contents in your box, including your hot chocolate this month, is just over the £25. But don't forget, I do have a coupon which will give you £5 off your first box if you want to use that. I'll leave that in the description box underneath this video. And just before I leave you, I wanted to say, as usual, a massive thank you to the supporters of the channel over my Patreon page, and to the channel members here on YouTube as well. Now, this is normally the part of the video where I will be giving one of my, you know, my box away to one of you, but like I said, I don't have it yet. I don't know what's going on, or there's maybe an issue with delivery. I really don't know, but keep your eyes peeled for that, because as soon as it comes through, I will be I will be giving that away to one of you as well, but it probably will be over on Instagram. And I'm also waiting in my advent calendar as well, the one that I pay for. So hopefully, fingers crossed, they will not be too much longer. But anyway, thank you very much for popping over and sticking with me till the end. And until I see you next time, guys, take care and I'll see you soon. Bye now.